Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be looking at a knife up close that someone picked up for me up there in Athens, Georgia at the Franklin Gun Shop. And also, we're going to be looking at a new knife display case I got in all the way from California. Cannot wait to share all that with y'all. And also, guys, I don't have a lot of time today. That's why the video ain't going to be very long. But I also want to let you know that tomorrow I'll be working on this beauty. The 5375, that's the large stockman. 5 stands for stag. That's the handle material. 3 is for the blades, the number of blades, that's 3. And also the 75 is a large stockman pattern for case double X. But this is a 64 all the way through 69 knife. It's a beauty. It really is. It's going to look really good when I'm done with it tomorrow. But also on Thursday, guys, I'm going to meet Mr. Ken Lewis and Mr. Huck, they call him. He's the one that did the Zippo display cases out of wood. But he contacted me a few weeks ago and wanted to know if I'd meet this coming Thursday. So I told him I'd love to. So Mr. Ken Lewis is going to drive down from North Georgia because Mr. Huck is in Georgia on his job, and he's just an awesome guy. And so is Mr. Ken Lewis. I cannot wait to see them again. But we're going to be meeting up at a barbecue place, and we're going to be showing some good knives. I cannot wait to do that. That video will be out Friday. So anyway, thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, here is a Buck Knives display case sent in from Mr. George Stenzel all the way from Hesperia, California. Buddy, thank you so much, Mr. George. But there it is right there, Buck Knives, famous for holding an edge. Ain't that cool? But it's got a door right back here. See there? A door. And you just flip that down, right? And you pull this out. And you put all your knives on them shelves right there. That is so cool, man. And check this out. This is how old it is, y'all. See how it's pegged to get together right there? Awesome, ain't it? It's in really good shape. But this was a big package. He sent this all the way from California. Mr. George, thank you so much for that. And he also sent me this right here. It's a lighter where you mash that right there. And flame comes out right there. I'm sure it's butane, I want to say. It's very, very cool. I know that. I love that. He also sent me this Buck pen right here. Ain't that awesome? Buck Knives. I'm going to be putting that up on the wall of fame. And also, he sent me some thumb studs for the 110 and 112 and the LB7. Ain't that cool? Cannot wait to put these on some knives, man. I love it. George, buddy, thank you so much for sending this stuff in. I can't wait to find a spot here in the knife museum, man. Thank you so much. I love it, man. We thank you, George. Mr. George sent that Buck display case all the way from Hesperia, California. It's even on the map. 2,137 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. George, buddy, thank you so much for the display case. Thank you so much for the thumb studs. Thank you for everything, man. Appreciate you supporting the channel. God bless you, man. Mr. George, I got your Buck pen right there, buddy, on the wall of fame. Thank you so much, man. Okay, guys, here is a knife that subscriber, Mr. Kevin Devane from Sly County, Georgia. He's actually a judge here in Georgia. He was in Athens, Georgia. He said he'd be glad to pick this up, and he went by there. I paid for it over the phone, but this is how much they had it listed for, and this is how much I got it for. They said 80 out the door, so they made it where the included tax would be 80 bucks. So it was $74.07, and out the door was 80 bucks. So can't beat that, and that is at Franklin Gun Shop in Athens, Georgia. Y'all go check them out if y'all are close by. But if you remember, about a month or so, I was up there in Athens, and I went by there. They had a sheath, a red and a neon green sheath.
Which one?
The red sheath. Is there a knife in it?
It's going to be one of the multi-tools.
Oh, yeah, the big one.
Get it out. I'm gonna say that. Then we got that display right there behind you as well, where we try to keep some Victorian items. But
golly.
Oh yeah.
Now, how much y'all got on this one?
That is a good question.
That's
I don't know 100%.
That's a big old sheath, too. Yeah, let me know how much y'all want.
I got you.
In a display case, and I was wondering if they had a knife in it, and sure enough they did. It was actually the Swiss Champ. It was the wrong sheath for the wrong knife was in the sheath, put it that way. And I got home, I researched it, and this is what's supposed to be in it, guys. It's actually the rescue tool, they call it. But this nylon sheath, guys, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. It's very well made. It feels about like a fireman's water hose. I swear it does. But this is the rescue tool. It's got phosphorescent handles, meaning it will glow in the dark. You got your tweezers, your toothpick. You actually got a reamer, a punch blade. Then you got your Phillips head screwdriver. You got your glass breaker. You got a little key ring. And look here, guys. You got a flat tip screwdriver, bottle opener, and a little wire stripper right there. But this blade locks. Ain't that cool? And then the main blade also locks. See there? Very, very cool. But this was a great price, guys. I couldn't pass it up. This right here is what they call a seatbelt cutter. That's awesome, ain't it? And this right here, guys, is what they call that's what they call it on the website, glass shattering saw. Ain't that cool? I guess it's designed to cut glass. It was very, very cool. But this is a great knife for any first responder to have, like paramedics, firemen, even a police officer, ambulance driver. It'd be great to even have in your truck, to keep in your truck. And that's where this one is going. It's going to be in my truck all the time. But this is a great knife I picked up at a great price. And you can open it with one hand. Very cool. But there's Victorinox right there. Swiss made in Switzerland. It's a very, very well made knife. I know that. A solid knife too, with a very nice sheath. I love it. But it would be in my truck today. I love it because them handles are glow in the dark. Reminds me of the one I gave Mr. Glenn years ago. I found a little, I don't know what kind it was, but it was a glow in the dark, and he carried that thing a lot. He sure did. And it would glow in the dark. But great buy, y'all. Hoorah. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I want to thank Mr. George Stitzel for sending that buck display case in all the way from Hesperia, California, buddy. Thank you so much. I love them thumb studs that you can put on a buck 110, a 112 Ranger, and an LB7. Thank you so much. Love the little motorcycle, and I love that little buck knife pen. Thank you, buddy, again for everything. And guys, don't forget, this Thursday, I'm going up and meeting Mr. Ken Lewis and Huck, Mr. Brandon Jones. They're coming in. They're going to be bringing some knives. We're going to be meeting at a barbecue place. And Mr. Huck is also bringing a rust lock he showed me. Beautiful bone. And I think I'm going to buy it because it is a beautiful piece to add to my collection. I think it's a 2003 or 2002. I can't remember. But I can't wait to share that with y'all. Anyway, guys, Mr. Ken Lewis is supposed to be bringing some good knives in too. I cannot wait to see what he sends. He always has some good stuff. Anyway. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good night. Stay short.